Hey, what's up guys? You know what? iOS 26 style transparent lock screen clock now available on your Galaxy device. Like this. And in this video, I am going to show you how to enable this lock screen transparent clock on your any Galaxy device. So, let's begin. Okay, guys, before install, I will show you no any clock face available on my device. You can see no any clock faces available on my device. Then, now I will show you how to install. Simply go to Galaxy Store and download Good Lock. And install. After install, simply tap and open. After open, go to plugin and go to clock face. You can see clock face and simply download this plugin. Okay, after install, guys, simply tap and open. And after open, you can see many clock faces, new clock faces available and clock face. And more fonts available in this new clock face. Now I will show you how to set up new transparent clock. Simply go to lock screen, tap and edit lock screen. Simply tap on the clock. And you can see clock faces. Simply go to more and go to my clock, create new. Simply choose transparent font and simply scroll, tap on hover and simply transparent, make transparent. And after set, simply increase size. Now simply save and apply. And you can see, guys, select size and you can see transparent clock, iOS 26 style transparent clock enable on my Galaxy device. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.